How to delete everything on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on Erase all content and settings. Erasing will sign you out of your Apple account and remove your personal data, so the iPhone can be safely traded in or given away. Keep in mind that if you reset your phone, everything will be erased, including anything important you might have. It's always better to back up your device before proceeding with a reset. Following these steps, you can easily delete everything on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.